Did you know that the time of day you eat your nuts and seeds can actually change the way your body uses their nutrients? Morning almonds may fuel your brain, while evening walnuts might help you sleep better. The same nuts and seeds can work differently depending on when you eat them. So, should you eat them in the morning or save them for the night? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we're diving into a question many of you have asked. When is the best time to eat nuts and seeds for maximum health benefits? Morning or evening? We'll look at what science says, how your body responds, and we'll share some practical tips you can start using right away. For your convenience, we have pinned the best timing for every nut and seed in the comments. Let's start with the morning. Eating nuts and seeds in the morning is like giving your body a nutrient-packed fuel shot. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help stabilize blood sugar and keep you full for longer. Studies show that almonds and chia seeds in the morning can reduce midday cravings and improve concentration. For example, almonds are high in magnesium and vitamin E, which support brain function, making them a great pre-work or pre-study snack. Remember to eat soaked almonds for better digestion. Chia seeds, when soaked overnight, give you a slow release of energy, perfect for breakfast smoothies or puddings. Now, what about the evening? Surprisingly, nuts and seeds can help you relax and even improve your sleep quality. Walnuts contain melatonin, the sleep hormone, while pistachios are rich in B6, which helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin. Eating a small handful of these in the evening may help you fall asleep faster. Pumpkin seeds are also great at night. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps in producing serotonin, which calms your mind and later converts into melatonin for better sleep. A small handful 30 minutes before bed is enough. No need to overdo it. So which is better, morning or evening? The truth is, both times offer unique benefits. Consuming seeds and nuts in the morning is best for boosting energy, focus, and metabolism. Evening nuts are best for relaxation, hormone balance, and improved sleep. Pro tip: you don't have to pick just one. You can split your daily serving. A handful in the morning for energy, and a smaller portion at night for better sleep. Stick to about 30 grams or a small handful of nuts per day. Soak hard nuts like almonds overnight to reduce anti-nutrients and improve digestion. You may also soak pumpkin and sunflower seeds overnight and eat them in the morning for better energy. Just avoid salted or sugar-coated nuts and go for raw or dry roasted instead. And always chew them well. Your body absorbs nutrients better that way. So whether it's morning or evening, the key is consistency. Nuts and seeds are nature's tiny powerhouses, and eating them at the right time can maximize their benefits for your body and mind. So, what about you? Are you a morning nut eater or a late-night snacker? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips.